In today's video, we're gonna learn how to translate pages on Chrome. You just need to follow these steps. So let's get into it. First, all you have to do is open Chrome. Here we can see that the language used in this web page is English. So in order to translate into another language, you need to click on three dots on top right corner. Here you'll get to see the option of translate. You need to tap on it. Then again you need to click on three dots on bottom. Here you'll get to see the option of more languages. You need to tap on it. Then you have to choose any language that you prefer for this web page. So I'm gonna set to German. So you have to click on German. Now you can see that your web page has been translated into German. Likewise, you can translate it into any language. Well, this was the tutorial on how to translate web page. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching and have a great day.